Yeah, I'm on the corner of Lynn Street and Bailey Avenue, and I've seen this cat before. I don't know if I believe it's a she, but I don't know if she's a stray or not. She's really lovable too, which I like. Hey, come here. Hey, hey. She'll even come up and say hi, and she is purring. She's pretty though. Like, I don't know if she belongs to someone or she's a stray. Hey, come here. Come here. You stray or not, huh? Yeah, see? She's pretty. Hey. Look at that face. See? And she'll follow me, too. Come on. See? She follows me. The first time I ever saw this cat, she's followed me. Like I said, I don't know if she's a stray or not. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. See? She follows. But she's always a step ahead of me, which is nice. See? Oh. Hey, not that way. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Hey. Oh, where are you going?